Hi, this is John, and I'm doing a review of the Trek Procaliber 9.7. This is last year's model, the 2021. The 2022 is basically the same bike with geometry and all the components the same. The only difference is the paint job and the seat. This seat's a little narrower and the stem is a little different, but otherwise it's all same components. It was a major change from 2020. They made the head angle a little bit more slacker, and so the geometry got changed, which works out good for me. I bought this bike to use for bike packing on the Great Divide. I went last year. I used my full suspension mountain bike and did the section 1, which is Whitefish, Montana to Helena, and this coming August I'm hoping to do section 2, which is Helena to Coulter Bay or Grand Teton National Park in August. I wanted to get a bike that was lightweight, and your hardtails are your lightest weight mountain bikes. This weighs 23 pounds, 23.07 pounds without the pedals and water bottle cage. So it's very lightweight. It's carbon material. It has a carbon seat post. It has carbon wheels. And it's a 1x12 with the SRAM GX Eagle with a sprocket size of 10 teeth for the small sprocket and 52 for the large, and the front chain ring is a 32 tooth chain ring. So this will climb almost anything with weight on it from backpacking. So this is really, I'm looking forward to using this. Just so you know, the price on this is $4,300 or $43.29.99. I bought this used for about $1,000 off. They're in demand right now, so they're hard to get, and I'm very happy to get this, and it should work out very good. The front shocks are your Reba RXs or RLs, and let's see, it comes with, I said, a carbon seat post. The model down from this from Trek, which sells for $3,000, is your Procaliber 9.6. It weighs 2 pounds more at 25.07 pounds, and it doesn't come with the carbon wheels and your or the carbon seat post, and the shocks are downgrade to your Recon Gold, RockShox Recon Gold RLs. And then the one below that is your Procaliber 9.5. It lists for $2,300, and it comes with the Judy SL shocks on it. So I think this should work out good for my needs. I'm going to do another video showing it loaded up with all my bags. I think my bag's fully loaded would add another 25 pounds of weight, so I'll be a little over, I'll be about 50 pounds, which is a real lightweight bike packing weight. So looking forward to it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer those for you. This is John from Chicago, and thanks for watching.